In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this Pyraminx pattern, which is the triangular version of the Rubik's Cube on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we need to use an algorithm, and the algorithm is D-L-I-U-R-I-B-I-R-B-U-2-D-B-I-L-U-D-I. Okay, let's do the algorithm then. We go D-L-I-U-R-I-B-I-B-I-D-I. And that has given us the pattern. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a solved Rubik's Cube, as always, if we can use the original algorithm, I'll teach you to use the original algorithm. That way it's also extra practice for memorizing the algorithm. And we could do that with this one as well, where the pattern meets here. We want this in the top right, so this becomes our front face, and we can just repeat the same algorithm 2 more times. Let's do that then. D-L-I-U-R-I-B-I-B-I-U-2-D-B-D-I-B-I-L-U-D-I. And you see we've still got the same pattern, but the colours are rotated, so you know you've done it right so far. And just repeat it 1 more time. D-L-I-U-R-I-B-I-U-2-D-B-D-I-B-I-L-U-D-I. And there we are, back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.